Turkey condemns Israeli demolition of Palestinian homes. Turkish President congratulates UK's Boris Johnson. Turkey and US launch joint work on safe zone in North Syria. Syria, a sudden Russian airstrikes kill 15 Idlib. 267 White Helmets members killed in Syria since 2012. Trump says Iran claim it has CIA spies, totally false. Libyan capital sees caution calm after clashes. Ethiopian party wants constitutional change amid unrest. Afghan urges explanation of Trump wiping country out. Bangladesh floods killed 94 people over last 2 weeks. Pakistan PM praises Trump, surprised at Indian reaction. India asks Russia to upgrade its Sukhoi fighter jets.